So before we start the demo of the software, I would like to draw your attention to certain facts that are related to KnowIt ERP. KnowIt ERP is a specially designed product for secondary steel production of tube mills, cold rolling mills, and casting, etc. It is a turnkey and ready-to-use solution with least efforts. KnowIt ERP has focused on areas of management concerns like inventory control of coil by coil and bundle by bundle. It also maintains coil by coil yield to ensure each coil is giving correct yield. KnowIt ERP does not allow human error or manipulation in the inventory from the duration stock enters through weigh bridge and moves out of the factory. It also gives report and analysis of various parameters like grade, thickness, shape, size, etc. So now we are beginning with the demo of KnowIt ERP. This is the main screen of the software. On the right side, we have all the defined modules such as accounts, sales, purchase, customer order, etc. User can select the module on which one wanted to work. KnowIt ERP is a complete integrated ERP system. It also has standard modules such as HRMS and finance. But we will start with the modules that are related to steel industry. Firstly, I would like to show you how one can define the item. For this, you will choose inventory. Then you will go to product chart and then item master. Here you are seeing all the items that are already existing in the software. Now, if you wish to create a new item, you will click on new. Now you have to select the product family of the item you wish to create. Because the system behaves according to the product family, it shows parameter according to the product family. With the combination of these parameters, system creates a unique description code. Here you can see as the system has already started creating a unique code which can be particularly used for this item. We will fill all the tabs. After filling up all the tabs, you will click on save. Now you will choose a person responsible for the approval of this item. Now the item has been sent for approval. Now we will see the another module of KnowIt ERP, that is the planning module. Slit plan can be made and it is optional. A slit plan can be printed to be given to the slitting operator, and barcoded labels can also be printed to be pasted on slit coil. Now we will see the production module. Here firstly we will see the slitting production. Slitting production is entered when the mother coil is slit. If there was any plan for the mother coil, system picks up the detail of slit coil tube produced automatically from the slit plan. We end up consuming the mother coils, and slit coils are produced with the subsequent slit coil numbers as child coil of mother coil. Looking at the number of the slit coil, it can be easily related to which mother coil it has been produced. KnowIt ERP has all checks and validation in place, and user cannot make wrong entries. It checks for the grade, thickness and the total width of the slit coils being produced. Side slit and other scrap is also generated. System ensures that there is no gap in the weight of mother coil and slit plus scrap being generated. Now we will see the tube mill production. Just like slitting, tube mill coil also has all validations in place and user cannot make any mistakes. Slit coils are consumed to produce pi bundle. Each bundle can be traced to the slit coil and eventually the mother coil. System captures scrap and burning loss to validate the weight of total coil consumption and the pipe plus scrap being produced. Now we will see the another module, that is purchase. This screen shows the purchase order entry. PO is issued to the vendor for coils and consumables. We also have the PO dashboard. All the PO raised to vendors are listed on the PO dashboard. We will see the gate module. All the vehicles coming in the factory are first entered as a gate entry. This starts the thread of material being received until purchase bill booking. Now we will see the vehicle weigh bridge weight submodule. All vehicles that enters the factory are lined up for weight bridge weightment. KnowIt ERP can be integrated with weigh bridge to capture the weightment details to control any kind of manipulation or avoid mistakes. Now we will see the MRN process. For each gate entry, MRN is entered for the stock being received. This stock received is received in intermediate receipt yard until the QC is done. Once the QC is done for the material being received, good stock is moved to the main yard, whereas rejected stock is moved to rejection stores, which can be then returned to vendor as a purchase return. Now we will see the gate pass submodule. All vehicles are allowed to exit the factory premises with a valid ERP gate pass. If there is any variance in WB weight and the purchase bill weight beyond tolerance, system will not allow a gate pass until an explanation is approved.